A number of shoreline communities really just getting hammered right about now, among them West Haven.
Yes, News 8's Sarah Cody live for us there this morning. Sarah, what can you tell us?
Hey guys, we're live here in a parking lot at a boat launch in West Haven. And I have to say, it's a pretty wild and dramatic scenario. The snow is blowing across the parking lot from the side, as you can see. If I walk back here, we were seeking shelter behind our live truck, but if I walk back here out of the shelter, the wind is blowing this way. It literally hurts and stops my breath to turn to the right. And if you look a little bit further here, out towards there is the water, and you can literally see nothing over the water. Visibility is practically zero. It is really, really wild out here on the coast in West Haven. So wild that we've been having trouble getting our live shot out to you. Trouble with the camera, trouble with the live truck. Even so, driving here to the live location, we saw a Citgo gas station that was open, and there were quite a few people. We saw 5 or 6 people stopping to get gas. There was also a great little diner next door, Nick's Luncheonette, that was open and trying to help all the people who were out in the storm. We interviewed some people. Take a listen. Oh, I guess we'll be bringing you that sound at another time. Nick's Diner is a really interesting place. Nick's Luncheonette, they have closed 3 days in the last 20 years for snow. They are usually determined to stay open during the snowstorms to help whoever is out and working. And as I said, we did see some people out on the roadways, even though the conditions were not good, who were heading into work today and braving the conditions. So one more time, this is the scene on the coast in West Haven. Wind blowing extremely hard, the icy snow blowing to the side, the seagulls fighting the wind, frigid temperatures. It is really wild blizzard conditions, and we'll be here all afternoon bringing you the scene from West Haven.